It all started with this loop. Then I added some stringed instruments just to fill out the chords a little bit more. Then I basically built up my own drum kit using a bunch of ancient percussion sounds from Ancient World. I would basically just play a one shot, export it, flatten it, add it to the drum kit. And I did that with a bunch of sounds, and I ended up with this kit right here. It's just a bunch of different sounds. That bell makes me think of Age of Empires 2 for some reason. Then once I had all of the sounds together, I basically just laid out a pattern. Then I added some more drums over it. I also layered in a bunch of claps together. So all together the drum sounds like this. And once I had those drums up, I went ahead with the clavichord using Omnisphere and Keyscape. Then I added a layer of a flute. This is with the Ancient World instruments. It's basically playing the same melody as the clavichord. Then I added another flute. It's really just the same melody again. I added an upright bass with Trillion, and here it is. Which I also layered with hybrid, just to get a fatter sound. And with all of that, I also added some ambience, which basically plays throughout the whole song, just to fill it up a bit. And that constitutes the basic loop. So altogether it sounds like this. For the second part, I added a viola, just playing the same melody really, with a little bit of variation. and here it is all together.